Williams%R indicator, or in other name we can call it Williams percentage range indicator, is a momentum indicator that is used to identify overbought and oversold condition in the market. The difference of this indicator and other indicator is because it oscillates between -100 and 0. If value close to -100, that is a signal of oversold condition, and if the value close to 0, that is the signal for overbought condition. Generally, when the indicator climbs above -20, the asset may be overbought, and if the indicator drops below -80, the asset may be oversold. My friend, I'm going to show you how you can use this indicator and how you can assemble it when you are trading binary option using binary tools. Now let me show you where you can find this Williams% range indicator in binary tools. It's very simple, my friend. All you need to do is to come here on a binary, and then you can go down here on an indicator and you will be able to find it here, my friend. It's called Williams%R indicator. Okay, this one. Okay, my friend. Yeah, and we have two versions here of this indicator. The first version is for simplest. It is the simplest version, which is this one. Okay, my friend. And this is going to help us to check the current data of this Williams% indicator. Okay, my friend. Yeah. But we have another one here, which you can find it on indicator, then click advanced. You'll be able to find this one. It's called Williams%R array. Okay. This one is a little bit advanced because this one is going to be used to analyze the historical data. But for now, let's start with this one, then we can finish with this one. I just want to show you some example, my friend. Okay, yeah. And in order for you to understand it very well, I need to show you the way this is working, and I'm going to compare with the one found in the NeuronalTrader chart there, my friend, so that you can see the way it's working. Okay, my friend? Yeah. So what I will do, I will add some notifications so that we can be able to see those number of Williams%R indicator. Okay, my friend, as you can see, we have added a notification here so that we can see it on the screen, what is happening inside this Williams% range indicator, this simple version. So I have minimized this so that we can see the chart in the NeuronalTrader here, my friend. And we already add the Williams%R indicator is down here. And also you have to make sure that volatility we are using in the same with this one. Okay, for example, here we are using volatility 10, and also here we are using volatility 10, and also the minutes is 1 minute, and also here the default candlestick interval is 1 minute. So I'm going to start the vote, then we can see if this vote is working the same with this Williams% range indicator here in the NeuronalTrader. Okay, we can just compare here so that you can understand more the way it's working, my friend. Okay, yeah. So as you can see now, it shows us these numbers, and if you check it here, you will see that these numbers appear here on a Williams% range in the NeuronalTrader are the same with these numbers which appear here. So that means is the simplest version it's analyzing the current data of the list of candle. Okay, my friends. So it analyzes now what is happening on this Williams percent range indicator. As you can see, now it shows you the data at a real time, and also here it shows you the data which are the same with this one, my friend. Now let's go to advanced version so that we can know also how the advanced version is working and how it's very important for us to use it. The first one, as you remember, we say that it checks the current data, okay, real-time data. But for this one, it's going to check and evaluate the historical data. So how you can do that? Let me show you. I will put it on a notification so that you can see the way it's working. But for this one, since it's working with the historical data, we need to add a list. A list block here so that we can tell it how many historical data on the list it can check. Okay, yeah. So all you need to do is you need to come on advanced, and then you can click on a list. Okay, advanced, then list. After clicking list, all we need to do is to drag and drop this list block. I think just do like this. I just drag and drop, and we can remove this. And in this space, we are going to replace with a Williams percentage R indicator so that it can use the list of the candles. Okay, my friend? Yeah, using this Williams percent R indicator. And here you need to change it, the number from the end, my friend. And at the end of this block, let's add a block of number like this. So if we put 2 here, it means the indicator will check the previous close of that candle. Okay, yeah, so it will analyze the previous close of that candle. Let me show example on a notification the way it appear. Okay, it's very, very simple. I will add it here, and then I will minimize the same this as we do before, and then I will start the bot so that you can see the way it analyzing. And you can see here the previous candle is on, let me check it. Okay, is on negative 17.2, and also you come here, now it's already moved. Okay, it's already on this another candle. Let's check this one. Okay, as you can see the cursor here, when I put it the same with the second candle here, you will see it show you the historical data that it was negative 27. Okay, and here is 27 ounce. This indicator evaluates the historical data. As you can see, my friend, you can just check the historical. Okay, my friend? Yeah, I hope now you understand it better. Now we can go and start adding some strategy, and I can show you how you can assemble this indicator and start using it immediately. For that you understand a little bit the way this indicator works, now let's create a simple strategy here, and let's assemble it, my friend. Okay, for this one we need it to, for example, we want it to trade lies when it's below the negative 80, and trade for when is above negative 20. It's very simple, my friend. You can just do like this. The first thing you need to add, you need to go on logic and then add this this block here, and you should add this inside of this one, and then here you have to say that greater or less than. Okay, so I'm going to put greater than, and here on this gap here I'm going to add a number. So here I'm going to add the number of Williams percentage indicator. So I will add negative 20. Okay, negative 20. It means that if Williams percentage range is greater than negative 20, the bot must trade a lower option. Okay, my friend. So what I will do, I will just do like this, add a candle of if do. Let me put it here and take this one, put it here, my friend. Okay, I will remove this notification. Yeah, so let's put it here. Okay, so if the candle is like this. I mean, if the indicator is greater than -20, it must purchase a for option. Okay, my friend? Yeah. And also, let me do like this. And also, if I will duplicate this one, if William percentage is less than, okay, if less than 80%, I mean -80%, it must trade for a higher option, which is lies option. Okay, it must trade for lies option. Okay, my friend, you can see we already add here a very simple strategy which will work with a William percentage range indicator, my friend. So now let's try to run the bot. As you can see now, the notification will start here. It already trade on the current, because now you can see the market is on the area of -20, between 0 and -20. It means that for here the bot would trade for the entries of put option, and you can see here it trade put option. The lies option is going to trade when the candle is, I mean the line is below -80 here. Okay, my friend? Yeah, I hope you have understand me. This is a previous example which I have shown you, my friend, but I have just added this time limit so that it can open entries 4 seconds before the new opening candle. Okay, yeah, as you can see here, if I press a play button and minimize this, you will see if it's on this zone, the trade will open 4 seconds before the closing time. You can see it opened 4 seconds before the closing time, my friend, and it opened a call since it's below here, my friend. This is an example of a lay version, and as you can see, I have assembled these blocks like this, my friend. The bot is going to purchase live when the William percentage range indicator of the third candle is greater than 80%, I mean -8%, and also the second candle is below -80, is going to purchase lies, and also the bot is going to purchase a fall when the third candle is less than -20, and also the second candle is greater than -20, then it's going to purchase a fall option. As you can see, the bot continues running here, and it followed that strategy and is been doing a good job here, my friends. So thank you very much, my friend. We will share these sample files so that you can learn more in our community, in Telegram's community. Thank you very much, and see you then, my friend. Bye-bye. Okay.